guys, it's Sherry here back again with another video. Today we're gonna talk about one of the most basic but super important parts of programming, the if statement. So what exactly is an if statement? Basically, it's how we make decision in our code. It lets our program choose what to do depending on a condition. Let's try a sample. So here we have a variable age and the value is 18. If age greater than 18 is our condition. Print you are an adult, else print you are a minor. So the output is you are adult. And now let's try to change the value to 16, less than 16. Okay. So the output is you are a minor. So basically, if statement let the program think, it checks something, a condition, and based on whether it's true or false, it decide what to do next. So why we use if statement? One main reason we use if statement is to make programs smart and flexible. Without them, a program would always do the same thing every time it runs. As if statement, the program can react differently depending on the input or situation. For example, in a grading system, a program can check a student's grade and decide whether to print you passed or you failed. If statements are essential in programming because they give computers the ability to decide, respond, and act according to different conditions. They make program more logical, interactive, and useful in solving real-world problems. And that's it for today's coding tutorial. Thank you for watching.